Did you know that scientists are developing batteries that won't burst into flames after a little crash? It's true. They're called solid-state batteries, and they're changing the future of how we power our lives. Imagine electric cars that go further, phones that charge in minutes, and homes running on clean energy. Solid-state batteries are like the superpowered cousins of the batteries we use every day. They're safer, more efficient, and pack a serious punch when it comes to storing energy. So buckle up. We're about to take a ride into the exciting world of solid-state technology. So what makes these batteries so special? Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, which use liquid electrolytes, solid-state batteries use, well, solid electrolytes. These solid electrolytes are like tiny superhighways that allow lithium ions to zip back and forth, creating that electric current we all know and love. To build these powerhouses, scientists use special materials like ceramics or polymers for the electrolyte. These materials are sandwiched between a positive and negative electrode, creating a battery that's not only more stable, but also less prone to overheating. Now, you might be wondering where you can find these futuristic batteries. Well, they're already popping up in some cool gadgets. Smartwatches, for example, are using solid-state batteries to squeeze more power into those tiny devices. But it doesn't stop there. These batteries are also making waves in the medical field, powering pacemakers and other life-saving implants. And of course, let's not forget about electric vehicles. Companies are racing to develop solid-state batteries that will give us longer ranges and faster charging times. The future of solid-state batteries is looking brighter than a Tesla on a sunny day. As research continues, we can expect to see even more powerful, efficient, and affordable batteries hitting the market. Imagine a world where we can say goodbye to range anxiety, where electric planes become a reality, and where renewable energy sources can finally reach their full potential. Solid-state batteries aren't just a technological leap, they're a giant leap towards a cleaner, more sustainable future. So keep your eyes peeled, because these batteries are about to electrify our world.